Hello everyone, this is Kalechi and welcome to the church channel. Today we're going to be going over the installation and review of this item. If you want to grab this, you can go to churchchannel.com. We have several products for sale. If you want a discount on this item, look to the website right on the top there. It says additional discounts. Go ahead and click on that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow the instructions on that page, and we'll send you a link to retrieve your coupon and discount codes. All right, let's get into it. Before we start this installation and review video, we're going to do a little Bronco accessory giveaway. So let me know what is wrong in this video if you do spot it. To be considered, please like and subscribe. Leave your answers in the comment section, and also let me know in the comment section what item you would like me to send to you. If you get the answer correct, we'll reach out and get your shipping information and get that item to you. Enjoy.
Hello everyone and welcome to Church Channel. I got a message yesterday about if this is gonna fit on the Sasquatch setup. And so we're gonna find that out today. So this is the unboxing for the third brake light bracket. All right. That's a pretty thick piece of steel that's been powder coated. And these are the tools you're gonna need. As you can see, the pattern is different. Yeah. So this one is gonna work fine. There's a bolt right there, a hole right there for it, and another one right there. All right, so when you put this, it will go up. But the pattern is off. You see that? So this is the first edition, so that has the Sasquatch package. So this is only gonna work for the non-Sasquatch Bronco. Now, if you can't find one with a different bolt pattern, then you might wanna try drilling the hole in here. All right, we're using the tools that came in the Bronco toolkit to take this off. All right, so if you go this way, which is the right way, you can only get one installed. All right, so got it to fit, but only using one screw at the bottom. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. I thought it might be a little bit loose, but no, I think that's actually gonna hold pretty good. All right, let's see how that fits on there. Yep. It's closing, but it's up. There's not that much clearance there. All the way closed. Yeah. No, that's not gonna work. There's nothing stopping it. So you're going from here to here. As you can see, this doesn't fit. You would have to drill a hole right there, to get it to work. Using this setup didn't work. You kind of see where that sits. It's not leaning against that. And yeah, so if you drill the hole, I'll put a picture of a user I found online that did this, but that is gonna sit right there instead. If you put a hole right there and right there, scoot that down. Okay, this is for the Sasquatch. Now, if you don't have a Sasquatch, then this is gonna work, right? Because the bolt pattern is different, or the hole pattern is different. And if you do have Sasquatch and you go into a 37, depending on the tire size and the wheel combo, you might not need this this plate, right, extension. It might just fit without any issues. But if it doesn't, then that's the other alternative, right? Right now, I don't know if there's anything on the market that has a bolt pattern in here that lets you extend it without hitting the window. So not that many options.
All right, let's go ahead and review this item. They're going to be reviewed under 4 categories: installation, durability, appearance, utility/usefulness. And for the installation, we see that for the Sasquatch package, the pattern for the holes are different. And so what that means is we're going to have to make some modification to it. As such, it's not a straightforward installation. So that's going to be a 6 out of 10 for installation. For durability, we see it's a pretty thick piece of steel that's been powder coated. Looks pretty strong. That's going to be a 10 out of 10. For appearance, the item looks pretty good, but after installing on the Sasquatch, it doesn't look as good as stock. So we're going to give that an 8 out of 10. For utility / usefulness, we see that it pretty much serves its purpose. We can actually see the brake light once we've done the installation. So that's going to be a 9 out of 10. And that's going to give us a total score of Topaz. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave comments in the comment section, and like and subscribe, and check out our website, churchchannel.com, for all your Bronco accessory purchase. Thank you, and see you in the next video.